How to fix unknown path battery iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, open up your settings application in your mobile device. Now once you are inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. Now from general, simply tap on software update and make sure that your iOS is up to date. Once you check that, head back to general, scroll below and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here, simply tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Once you do that, your phone will set to default, and once it is done, head back to your home screen and see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, what you can do is press on the volume up button and then down button and then press the power off button for 20 seconds until you see the Apple logo. Once you do that, you'll then be able to fix the issue. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.